So in order to bowl, you must pick up the ball, line yourself at the pins. You do better if you stay looking at the pin that you want to hit. Exhibit. When you're bowling, it is best to take 3 steps. I can delete that. Okay. When you're bowling, it's best to take 3 steps towards the foul. You want to hold the ball about neck height in front of you. When you let go of the ball, you want it to go out in front of you. Out in front of you. There are 4 lines at the back and 5 lines at the front. You want to be in line with the arrow going down the middle of the lane. You don't want to fall off the bat. When you look at the pin that you're wanting to hit, you usually hit it. When you're throwing, you want to go 1, 2, and then in front of you. But I just copied with a head pin. Depending on your power, depends on your speed and whatever the word is I'm looking for.